Hi there, my name is Farjit Mia. I am a freelance copywriter. In this video, I talk about what is copywriting and why businesses hire copywriters. So if you are new to this channel, then subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for daily new videos and follow me on social media. Then let's get started. Copywriting is a art of writing text to promote businesses, person, product, service, or an idea. So copywriter write a content that intend to persuade reader to take a particular action. Like you see that, like click the link below, or like sign up for this offer, or buy now for limited time. This is a limited time offer. This is all the copy that write by the copywriters. And copywriting content is include from YouTube video description to product description and billboard you see, and you don't realize, but you're surrounded by copies. The copy that grab your attention, that written by the copywriters. That's why businesses need to hire copywriters, because they write copy that increase the sales and revenue. They write SEO friendly content, and they write copy that create a brand voice to direct communicate with their target audience. If you have any questions in your mind, then comment down below. I will reply your comment, and try to answer your comment. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so for my latest videos. And thank you for watching my videos.